fat but you love KFC? This high-protein, crispy popcorn chicken packs over 100 grams of protein for almost half the calories. And it's so easy to make. Dice your chicken thighs into cubes, then add cooking spray, the seasonings in the caption, baking powder, and tid. Then to a large container add potato or cornstarch, your diced chicken thighs, seal the lid and shake it up till the chicken is fully coated. Set it on a rack, give it a spray and bake or air fry with these settings, shaking it up halfway. Now just serve it up while hot and crispy. If you're trying to lose fat and build muscle, these high-protein garlic butter steak bites with creamy garlic mash are a delicious, quick and easy meal prep with 56 grams of protein that you can store in the fridge. Dice your lean steak into cubes, then add these seasonings and mix well with your hands till fully coated. Cook the steak on high heat with some cooking spray till crispy and tender on all sides. Then add light butter, fresh garlic and parsley and coat the steak in that garlic butter. Now get 900 grams of potatoes, chop them up and boil in salted water till fork tender. Mash them up till smooth, then add light butter, cream cheese, low-fat milk, garlic paste and more seasonings. Stir the mash till rich and creamy, then just box everything up into 4 equal servings, garnish, and you're ready. If you're trying to build muscle, these high-protein, cheesy pepperoni pizza rolls are a delicious, quick and easy snack with 38 grams of protein that you can store in the freezer and reheat in minutes. Add your lean beef to a pan with some cooking spray and cook on high heat till about 3/4 done. Then add low-fat pepperoni, the seasonings on screen, and cook through till golden brown. Next add tomato paste, light cream cheese, and a dash of sugar. Stir through till creamy, then add chopped parsley and mix again. Now on a warm tortilla, add 1/10 of your pizza roll mix, low-fat cheese, then fold in the sides and roll it up tightly, repeating till you have 10 rolls. Give them a quick spray, sprinkle with parsley, and bake or air fry with these settings. Then store in the freezer and reheat when you're ready to eat.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head.